Stop. Most free VPNs are not safe. Subscribe to channel to get new tips of Windows. First, go to the official website. Click Old Servers. Click Download V2ray. Download software according to your computer Windows type. Second step, open this website. Click V2ray. Click Raw List. Copy all commands. Next step, you must paste these to V2ray. Open V2ray software. Go to Configuration. Click Import Share Links from Clipboard. Select all servers. Click to Test Servers. Servers are testing that can work on your network or no. These servers not work on your network. Green numbers are active servers. Follow for more Windows and tech tricks.